Ew. Hey everybody, CR Media Gal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just take you along for another sort of purging my closet. Definitely a mini version. You've seen some much bigger purges of my closet here on my channel before. I will link them up in the corner for you and down in the description box. I tend to go through my closet monthly and try to be ruthless about getting rid of stuff that I no longer use or wear. However, with all of my health issues that have been going on the last couple months, plus losing my dog back in November, I really have just like put that off, and I want to get back on top of it because it's very easy for that to get out of control for me if I don't stay on it. So I just thought I would take you guys along. This will probably be a very quick video. My Poshmark, by the way, is always listed down in the description box for you. So if you ever see some clothes of mine that you're curious about, you can always ask me questions, and also if it's potentially going to be sold on my Poshmark at all, by all means leave a question down below and I'll be happy to let you know. I don't anticipate getting rid of too much, but you never know. You never know. So yeah, let's get started.
So here we are back in my closet again for like the umpteenth time. This is a new purchase I made from Francesca's recently with that adorable Dalmatian print on it. I love this skirt, but I basically got it to replace another skirt that I hauled from Shein. I think it was back a year ago in my spring Shein haul. That skirt is pleated, which I'm still in the hunt for a pleated skirt that works for me, because that one just wasn't working. So that's definitely going to go in my Poshmark. As a matter of fact, it's actually already up now. And then, oh, this is such a sweet blouse. I'm actually kind of sad to get rid of this. I thrifted this actually probably 2 years ago, but I've only worn it a handful of times. I love the embroidery on it. It's really pretty. It's Lauren Conrad actually. And it's got like a high-low backing on it, or I should say hem. But yeah, I just don't wear it enough. So I finally decided to put that up in my Poshmark. And then I've been debating about this for a couple months, and I finally pulled the plug. I've got two of these mustard tops, and I decided to keep that one with the buttons down the front. It's really nice. I think that's from Loft. And then this is actually a ModCloth piece. Surprised to be getting rid of a ModCloth piece. I actually haven't put this up on my Poshmark yet, but yeah, I have a couple ModCloth sweatshirts in that style, and I just, I don't need two mustard tops. I really don't. So that one's finally gonna go. And then I ended up keeping both of these, but I debated for a hot minute about getting rid of one of them, which I feel terrible about because they were actually gifted to me for Christmas, both of them. But the reason I considered getting rid of one of them is because they're both the same exact color, basically, but one is velvet and then one has those wonderful balloon sleeves. But I love them both too much. And they're, even though they're the same color, they're different enough. That velvet one is more for dressy occasions. And yeah, I couldn't part with one of them. And, they were on my Amazon wish list. So like, I appreciate that family members got me those. This piece is from Madewell, and it's in this olive green color, this really nice cardigan. I bought this off of Poshmark actually, like over a year ago, and I've rarely ever worn it. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know if it's the color or the fabric, but I have a forest green cardigan. You might be able to see it there, that I just gravitate towards a lot more. So I just decided to put that up in my Poshmark as well. And then, oh my gosh, this pains me. New with tags, black overalls from Old Navy that I actually hauled in a fall and autumn, or I should say fall and Halloween haul from probably 2 years ago now, 1 or 2 years ago. Yeah, never worn them. They used to be a little too tight on me. I have lost some weight, so they do fit better now, but I really want like a really dark black pair of overalls, and I settled for those. I shouldn't have. So that'll teach you to not just settle for things because you're desperately on the hunt for something. Or maybe that's just me. So yeah, those are gonna go up at my Poshmark. Makes me so sad. And then this was a stupid purchase that I decided to keep rather than return from Shein. It's a ModCloth dupe that I showed in my Halloween fashion dupes haul a couple months back. I actually have this, the official version from ModCloth, in green here that I'm about to show you. And I guess I just decided to keep the orange one because I liked the color, and I initially had wanted the one from ModCloth from last year and figured, oh yeah, that's close enough, but like, I don't need two of the exact same ghost sweatshirts. Like, very stupid of me. So that will definitely go on my Poshmark as well. And then this is another thrifted item. It's actually from Express that I thought, I really expected it would work out, but that collar makes me look like a clown. Maybe somebody else can make it look really cute and fashionable, but I definitely can't. And then this is a piece actually from A New Day. Bought a couple of years ago, still in great condition. I'd say the last 2 winters, I have not gravitated towards it, and I used to wear that all the time. So finally decided to get rid of that. Oh, and then another piece that pains me. This is also Lauren Conrad. If this actually doesn't sell, I've actually already put this up on my Poshmark. If this does not sell, I will keep it because it's just too cute. I'm actually really hesitant to get rid of it. I just, I have a couple other pink sweaters that I wear more. So I just, I try to be ruthless about getting rid of stuff that I'm not wearing enough. And then this was a random pair of black pants. They're not quite joggers, but they're not quite leggings either, that I randomly found in the back of my closet, but they're too small for me. So yeah, gonna get rid of those as well. This cute polka dot turtleneck I've barely worn, but I just keep it in my closet thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna wear that. And then I thrifted this, not even realizing, I guess the tag is Anthropology. Must have forgotten that. Must have had a brain fart. So that went into my maybe pile, and I ended up keeping it. I do like it. It's very cute. This I actually hauled in my ThredUp haul from a couple of years back, and I've rarely ever worn it because I hate that color. I don't know why I thought that would be a good color for me. But I loved the hem on it. That lettuce hem is really cute, but yeah, no. Very soft from J. Jill, but that color is awful for me. So that is definitely gonna go. And then this is a turtleneck. I'm not sure where this is from. I'm sure I will show the tag here in a sec, but I used to wear this quite a bit. Got a lot of use out of it, but I have another gray sweater, like the exact same hue of gray, so I don't need 2 of them. So time to go. And another piece that breaks my heart to get rid of. Some of you might remember it. This beautiful pink celestial tiered dress from Shein. I hauled it last spring. It's absolutely adorable, but it's literally just been sitting in my closet, and it's kind of driving me nuts. I just think somebody's got to wear this. Somebody's got to take this out on the town and have fun with it, and I guess that person is just not me. Yeah, I think I even said in that video, like, I've got nowhere to wear this, but it was too cute, I had to buy it. So that is now in my Poshmark, I'm sad to say. I decided to take the time and go through these drawers of accessories. It's mainly all winter stuff, gloves and hats and, oh, I think I just decided to show you guys that. That was a gift from my sister from Disney of Baby Yoda. We love him. Oh, and I found a Harry Potter iPhone case that I'd actually been looking for. How exciting. And then I had these 2 fox scarves. That one's from Kate Spade. Decided to keep that one and finally decided to get rid of the other one because, again, I don't need 2 of things, and there seems to be a lot of repetitive items that finally decided I'd had enough, and one of them needed to go. Another item I bought off of Poshmark, brand new with tags. I stupidly removed the tags. It's an airy bralette, super cute. I love the color, but I don't wear it. I wish I hadn't removed the tags though, because that would be more appealing to buyers, but whatever. It's in my closet now. And hopefully it'll make somebody else happy. These adorable heeled sandals I bought off of ThredUp, I believe. Probably at least a year ago. And I don't wear them too often, or I should say I don't wear them enough to justify, I think, anyway, keeping them around for another summer. But I have decided to give them one more go, so if I don't end up wearing them this summer, then they will definitely end up in my Poshmark.
Holy crap, you guys. I can't believe how many items I came up with to potentially sell in my Poshmark closet this go around. I know it's been like a solid like 2.5 months since I have purged my closet, so to speak. They're always like mini purges, you know what I mean? But I try to keep up on it almost monthly in case, you know, I buy anything new to potentially get rid of something else in my closet to replace it with. I've got 15 items this time. Just goes to show that even after like 2.5 months, there's just stuff that I'm not wearing that could potentially go to a new home. Some of these, I'm not gonna lie, they're a little painful to be selling. Like these still brand new with tags, Old Navy black overall jeans. I never wore them. And you know, I even talked about it in my fall and Halloween haul from, I guess it was 2020? Time is an illusion. Anyway, I've had them for a while. They've just been sitting in my closet because I never liked the color of them. Not quite as black as I'd like them to be. They're more of like this like faded black. And I settled for these because I couldn't find what exactly I wanted anywhere else. Don't ever do that. Just, you know, a stupid purchase, a waste of money. So those can go to somebody else. I'm pained to be getting rid of this Shein dress. It's so pretty. It's such a flattering dress. I can't say enough good things about it. I don't know if this is still on their website or not. I think I've seen a variation of it in like navy. You know, I bought this during the pandemic and haven't had anywhere to wear it. So like, I'd rather give it to somebody else who will get a lot of use out of it rather than have it just sit in my closet. Gosh, it's so pretty though. I love this blush pink and all these pretty stars. Beautiful. Those are probably the two main ones that I'm like, oh, really? Do I have to? Yeah, and then this ghost sweater knockoff from ModCloth. I already have it in green, and I bought this knockoff for the affordable Halloween dupes video I did this past fall. I decided to keep it just because I really wanted it in the orange color. It's not even the right shade of orange as the ModCloth version, but I wanted to keep it anyway. I don't need to. I don't know why. Why did I keep this? I should have returned it. Somebody else can enjoy it. Oh yeah, this is also one. LC Lauren Conrad. It's a really pretty like boho, balloon shaped sweater. So cozy, so soft. I actually bought this off of Poshmark a while back. I just decided to get rid of it because I have a couple other pink sweaters already in my closet that I just gravitate towards more. But I do love this. So I think maybe over the next couple months, if this one would not sell, I would keep this. It's just something that I'm gonna see if anybody's interested. And if they're not, it's one that I'll just, you know, probably just happily keep. Now it's time to put these all together and start doing photographs. It snowed here today, so the lighting really isn't the best. So I might opt to do this another day. But yeah, we'll see. I think that's everything for now. I've got some other like furniture related stuff I want to get rid of, but I don't trust selling that kind of stuff on Poshmark. I think it's gonna be a little too big for me to ship any of that stuff. I do have a poof with storage in it, and it's turquoise, and I'm trying to get rid of turquoise colored decor in my bedroom. So I think if I can find a replacement for that, I've been on the hunt for one in particular. Whenever I do get that, that will probably go up on my Poshmark because I think I can still safely ship that. And then I have this ladder unit that I painted ages ago. This particular one, I'm definitely gonna take it down. It's gonna come off my wall. But I can't decide if I want to sell that just because like ladders are so expensive. And I mean, I can always paint it another color, and like whenever I get a place of my own, I can definitely use this. This will probably just go in storage. I don't think I'm gonna sell that. I considered doing it, but this one is gonna stay up, but I definitely want to paint it so badly. I think I'm gonna paint it black, but yeah. Initially I thought I might get rid of both of them, but it's not gonna happen. Yeah, I think I've pared down my fandom stuff enough that it's great that I can finally get rid of one of these things. Not get rid of, but like I just, you know, I don't need to have this up anymore. Interested in any of the stuff that I've been showing you that I'm decluttering, then stay tuned. Go check out my Poshmark, please. I hope you enjoy this little purging of my closet and getting my Poshmark updated. My Poshmark link is always down in the description box for you. So if you're ever interested in any of my clothes that I show on this channel, who knows, some of it might end up on my closet at some point. So be sure to go and give me a follow there if you'd like. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd really appreciate it. Also subscribe below if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell as well so that you get alerts on future videos from me. I hope you are all doing well wherever you are, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.